When I left the test center, I felt actually pretty confident about the test, but I really didn't want to say too much because, I mean, I kind of felt confident after every single test I've taken, and then it usually ends up as I always made some silly mistake. But this test, I felt pretty confident, and I think that what really helped me was the practice tests I've taken because those really helped me during the test. When I found out my score, my dad actually found my score first, and when I found out my score, I was really surprised, and I had a feeling I would do well, but then I didn't want to get too excited about it because I always thought they might have made a mistake or something. So then I look, and then I got the detailed score report, and then I was really excited. It felt good that all the hard work finally paid off, and that was the biggest feeling I had. And then my friends always would ask me, how did I do it, what should we do and everything. They always ask me for tips and everything. The most important advice is to take practice exams because that's what the SAT is all about. Because if you take practice exams, you'll significantly reduce the amount of time it takes on the test, and that'll give you a lot more confidence. It's also more about always staying in the zone of taking the test because if you zone out, then you won't know what the answer is going to be correctly, and you will always feel as if in both there'd be two choices, but you haven't actually paid attention to what was in the reading passage. So again, just don't zone out and always remind yourself to stay in the moment for the test.